Welcome today to another episode of Commercial Property Club podcast, an episode of pod chapter content. We're on episode number 30 today, and we're going to be talking about a special, I call it a special episode today, a special topic in which we'll be diving into what role technology plays in the apartment emerging market of the state of Texas. So welcome to once again another wonderful episode of Commercial Property Club podcast. Today's topic is one that's shaping the future of real estate investing in technology. And this episode will be discussing how technology is transforming the apartment market in Texas, how investors can leverage these changes for better return. And today's topic is the role of technology in transforming Texas apartment market. This is a very juicy episode for investors, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Thank you once again for joining me for this particular episode. I said the role of technology in transforming Texas apartment market. Today we'll see what particular role we have the technological aspect of things here in the Texas market, and we'll see how it's helping the investors investing in the state of Texas, the market in Texas, the axis of Dallas, the axis of Austin, San Antonio, and some parts of Houston. So let's dive in. Let's see what the role of technology in transforming the apartment market here in the Texas area. What is technology actually doing? Tech enabling apartments and smart futures that are being incorporated into the apartment investing space that is really helping investors. Let's talk about the rise of tech enabled apartments. As technology, as you all know, continues to evolve, so does the apartment market to smart homes, pretty much the infant right now for developers. Smart buildings are becoming the norm in several aspects of the emerging places of Texas market. We see the likes of energy efficient lightings and heating system to smart locks and remote control thermostats that does help savings. Apartment buildings are increasingly incorporating all this technology to improve the tenant experiences. These features are not just about convenience, they also make properties more attractive to potential renters, as we see across board in the Texas market. For example, tenants can now control heating, lightings, and even the security system from their smartphones. Talk about technology. These added levels of convenience and security increases tenant satisfaction in terms of when your renter have this convenience, they're pretty much could be a game changer from choosing from one apartment building to another, retaining your tenants, which in turn benefits investors. What are we going to take away here as key points? Tech-enabled apartments with smart futures actually does increase tenant satisfaction and retentions. You get to retain your tenant longer. And also to the tenants that are satisfied get to stay in your apartment for a longer period of time. And also investing in technology can add value to your property. I cannot stress that well enough, and make it more attractive to renters. So understanding the aspect of the tech impact would enable you to incorporate some of these value adds into your apartment building. Let's talk about prop techs and data analytics also too. Let's see what impact this kind of technology, property technology, has on apartment investing in the Texas market. PropTech is revolutionized how apartment investors collect and use data. With the help of AI and data analytics, investors can now predict trends, optimize pricing, and also make smart investment with informed information, or rather with gathering of data. You can make or forecast things into the tens of even decades ahead. And also through data-driven insights, investors can now track tenant preference. Yes. Identifying emerging markets and also knowing where your key pockets of renters are, making better decisions in terms of how you invest. The proper tech platforms are also streamlining property management, as we see, allowing investors to track expenses, manage leases, and communicate with tenant more effectively. What are the key takeaways? Proper tech helps investors leverage data for smarter, even more profitable decisions. So AI and analytics can optimize pricing and property management processes, as I just mentioned. Let's talk about the future of smart cities and investment opportunities that comes with that. As Texas continue to grow, it's growing. It's been growing the last number of years, since I moved down here into the Texas area. Many of its emerging cities are evolving into smart cities. Yes, these are cities where technology is integrated into everything. From your traffic system to energy grids and public infrastructure also too. For apartment investors, I would say smart cities offer really unique opportunity. Not only do they attract tech-savvy tenants who value smart amenities, because as the value, they tend to want to choose or make preference for that, but it also present long-term investment potential as the infrastructure continues to also improve over time, over the years going down the road. What are the key takeaways in what I just discussed? Smart cities present long-term investment opportunity for us as investors. For those who are ahead of the curve, kudos to you guys. Investors should consider really locations where these integrations of technology is part of the city's growth strategic plans. So I will consider that even in other cities beyond Texas, the state of Texas, but we're talking about the state of Texas right now. So in conclusion, what would I say? Technology is changing the face of apartment investing beat by beat, particularly in Texas. By embracing smart futures, utilizing proper techs, and investing in smart cities can make you stay ahead of the competition and maximize your return as an investor. Yes, so that's the role of technology in the Texas axis. I hope this episode gave you useful insight into your technology as it's transforming the market of apartment investing. Thank you once again for joining me here at the Commercial Property Club podcast. Make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for more episodes on our channel on the latest trends in apartment investing. Particularly, we'll focus on networking with physicians, pharmacists, doctors, rather dentists, and high net worth people. So tune in. There's always a fresh episode. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me at ola.i@commercialpropertyclub.net, or connect with me on social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and also we have a channel on YouTube. For more resources, don't forget to subscribe now, okay? Share this podcast with a fellow investor. Like I always say, Happy investing. Thank you once again for joining me here on Commercial Property Club podcast. I'm your host, Ola Ibiwoye. I will see you another time.